Okay, let's start this unit 4, wireless system and standard. So, uh, I hope that you already understand about this wireless system and standard. Wireless is communications without wire. There is no physical connections. This is only for air-to-air communications. Maybe in the form of microwave, or maybe in the form of radio wave, or maybe in the form of the terrestrial. So wireless system and standard means there are different types of standard of communications in the wireless. So now our topic is cellular communications. Then we are concentrating on this mobile services and mobile communication. The first topic is the advanced mobile phone services AMS. This mobile phone services AMS is a standard system for analog signal cellular phone services. Services in the US, and it's also used in other country. So this M is the first technology used in this mobile communications for this analog signals, analog communications. It's not a digitized. It is based on the initial electromagnetic radiation spectrum allocation for cellular services by the Federal Communication Commissions FCC in 1970, introduced by the AT&T. This is the telecom company in the US, AT&T, in 1983. AMS becomes one of the most widely deployed and cellular system in the United States. So M is the one of the popular technology used in the United States, and AMS also cover this mobile, and then the tower, line of sight stations tower, and from the mobile switching office, then it goes to this public network for wireless communications, wireless mobile stations in analog cellular types. Okay, analog cellular type. This is not in the digital communication. This AMS is advanced or more advanced technology in the mobile systems. Before this, we are having a short range of communications from the phone booth to this wireless communication from the nearest nearby. That it can cover only the 1 meters, or maybe 2 meters, maybe up to the 10 meters. Not so much coverage, but in this ends, it can cover a large range of area for using this PSTN network. Okay. Mobile telephone switching also there. This mobile phone telephone switchings connected to the PSTN line, and that mobile stations communicated to the landline stations. Okay, and this tower. Okay, this is the tower. Okay, and this M allocate the frequency range within the 800 to 900 megahertz. This a frequency range. Okay, frequency range. Frequency is the time and the power in this sine wave. Frequency is the cycle per seconds. How many cycles can be created in the given period of time? Given period of time, and this is called the frequency. Okay, and here 807 807 900 800 and 900 megahertz means millions. 800 mega means million. 800 millions of cycles per seconds, and 900 millions cycle per seconds. This cycles is used for the communications. For the communications. Okay, that's spectrum. A spectrum to cellular telephone. Okay. Okay. Its services providers can use half of the 824 to the 849 megahertz range for receiving signal from the cellular phone, and half of the range 869 to the 894 megahertz range for the transmitting to the cellular phone. So it's needed to have two type of frequency for receiving and transmitting the signal. Okay, the bands are divided into 30 kilohertz subbands called channel. Then the receiving channels are called reverse channels, and the sending channels are called the forward channel. Okay, the sending channel, and the divisions of this spectrum is into a subband channels. It's achieved by using this frequency division multiple access. Okay. FDMA, frequency division multiple access. So in this frequency division access FDMA, there are the different types of multiple frequency in a time slot. Times is remain same, but within the time we have different types of frequency allotment. So these are the things in this AMS technology used in the AMS. Later on, it's upgraded the system. Later on, it's upgrade the technology. This technology is a global system for mobile network, GSM. This mobile systems is a digital cellular technology used by transmitting mobile voice and data services. So data services includes this transferring image, or maybe transferring the some audios. Okay, transferring voice and data services included in the digital cellular technology in the GSM. Down below, you'll see this one module. This is the GSM SIM card module. So using this SIM cards, then you can connect to the GSM network. Okay, this is the subscriber information. SIM is the subscriber information modules. This is the SIM card. All the informations of the subscribers, and then the MMS or SS, all those informations. Okay, we can say detailed informations of the subscriber number and all are registered inside this, and these SIM modules can be connected to the computer using this serial communications. Then we can check it out the frequency and most of the communication technology used in this SIM and tower and all these things, the real-time communication data, everything we can simulate it here using this SIM module. We can check it out the signals. Okay, that GSM is mobile communications using the digital cellular technology. This GSM comprises of three blocks. One is the mobile stations, our handset, and the next one is the BSC or BSS, base station controller, and the next one is the network subsystem. You can have the MSC, mobile switching center, or mobile service switching centers, and another is the fixed line telephone networks. Okay, there are some fixed line telephone network or directly connected to the PSTN network also. Okay, these are the three blocks of GSM. GSM offer three basic types of services. One is telephony services and teleservices, and next one is the data services and barrier services, and the last one is supplementary services. Okay, there are three types of services provided by the GSM, and also it's having the different types of features. Okay, we'll stop on this up to this. Next class we're going to this detail about the services and features of the GSM. Okay, that's all for today class. Let me call your roll number.